Big companies and governments are scooping up enormous amounts of data without regulation and without compensation. It is Indigenous peoples and local communities who are most at risk of this exploitation, and that is where EDGE has drawn a line. EDGE is a collection of entities whose aim is to combat the data exploitation crisis. It includes the Native Biodata Consortium, the world's first ever biodata repository based entirely within a sovereign Indigenous nation, Stanford University, and a short list of other important partners. We have created a new culturally responsive data collection standard and a federated framework for how all data types can be handled with the utmost ethical and cultural sensitivity. We intend to apply this new standard to the world's data exploitation crisis with the aim of emboldening underserved and Indigenous communities in making data storage, access, and analysis both local and sustainable at scale, and in advancing inclusivity in the cause of public health, among other benefits. EDGE will set a global standard for data access and collection without exploitation. Through our existing partners and through our work with Indigenous peoples and local communities around the planet, we can, when empowered by the Change Grant, bring our cooperative experience and Indigenous perspective to bear on the data exploitation crisis, thereby working to solve the world's toughest public health problems, provide economic and scientific competitiveness that IPLCs require for cultural survival and self-determination, and build sustainable digital infrastructures supported by law and policy in sovereign spaces.